Today the lecture 3 of Basic Electronics is based on number system from binary to decimal. Today is the part 2 of our conversion of number system. So second is we learned about decimal to binary. Now we will learn about binary to decimal. We took an example of 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. I told whenever you will get a question, you will see one base is given and in which you have to convert it, that base is also. Here it's 10, so that means it's decimal. And here is 2, that means this is the binary number. Now how we will convert it into decimal, right? Binary here is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. We will start from 0 and we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and if it would have continued, we will write 5, 6, 7. Whichever has 1, we will write 1, 1, 1. Okay. And the number we wrote, we will write 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 0. Why 2? Because it's the binary. So we have to convert it in 2 to the power 4. So that we can get a decimal. So it's the base 2. So we will write 2 to the power 4 into 1. Now we will do 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 4 means 16. 2 to the power 2 means 4. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 16 into 1 is 16. 4 into 1 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1. And so the answer is 21. Okay. Now we will see another. That is 10101.001101. We have to convert it in decimal. We will write like this 10101. In the left hand side of the decimal, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the right hand side, we will go in negative. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 8. In all 1, we will write 1, 1, 1 and the corresponding number which is there. Okay. So 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 4, 2 to the power minus 6. Okay. 16 into 1 is 16, 14 into 1 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1. This is 1 by 8, that is 1 by 2 by 3. This is 1 by 2 by 4 and this is 1 by 2 by 2 to the power 6. This is 1 by 2 to the power 4, this is 1 by 2 to the power 3. I have already done the calculation and we got the answer as 21.203125. So we took the approximation 21.21. So this is the basic concept of how we can convert binary to decimal. Now we will solve some questions. Okay. First question is this one. How we will convert it in decimal? First we will write this number 1, 1, 1. Then we will write the number like 0, 1, 2, 3. As I told, the ones digit we will write its corresponding number. So it's 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 4. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 1 is 2 and 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our answer is 15. Okay. Now a second question with the decimal. We will write the number first 101.10. First we will write from this side 0, 1, 2 and I told after decimal we will write negative, that is minus 1, minus 2. Now we will write the ones corresponding number, that is 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0.1 into 2 to the power minus. Okay. So it's 4 plus 1.1 by 2. Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 by 2 is how much? 0.21. 0.5. We know that 0.5. So the answer is 0.5. Right? This is our answer. Like this, we will solve binary to decimal.
Now it's the quote time. An unexamined life is not worth living.
I hope all of you understood today's lecture. And thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.